Hello everybody, my name is Scott Spangenberg and I'm the Sales Supervisor here at the Welded Steel and Ballistic Division at Panelbuilt. Today I'll be giving you a tour of one of our 6 state-of-the-art facilities where we fabricate all of our welded steel and ballistic buildings. You'll be able to see your project and how it's fabricated from start to finish. You'll be able to meet our team and learn about all of our processes here at Panelbuilt.
We are standing in our sales department here at the Welded Steel and Ballistic Division, where we have 4 experienced sales representatives that are here to serve your needs. When you call Panelbuilt, our receptionist will get you in touch with the correct salesperson that will be there to guide you through the process from start to finish. We will be able to provide you a detailed proposal, drawing, and 3D images within 24 to 48 hours. Welcome back everyone. I'm standing in our engineering department here at the Welded Steel Ballistic Division. Our engineers are crucial in getting your project from design to completion. We provide basic floor plan drawings with every quote along with 3D images. Once your job is approved, our engineers will work directly with you during the approval process to make your project come to life. We are now out in our manufacturing plant where the fabrication process begins. As soon as the engineering phase is approved and complete, the building process begins. As you can see here, this is where we cut all of our steel and do all the building frameworks and build out the walls in this area. As soon as that's complete, the booth will then go into the paint booth where it's primed and painted to your specific color's needs. As soon as your building comes out from our paint booth, it comes right here to our installation department. This is where all the windows, doors, and roofing gets installed. I am standing in front of an example of a welded steel and ballistic building. We offer ballistic buildings anywhere from a UL level 3, which protects against handguns, all the way to a UL level 8, which protects against a 7.62 millimeter rifle. We also offer NIJ ratings for the military and also STANAG as well. We offer many different custom options here at Panelbuilt. This is an example of a brick veneer that can be applied to the lower perimeter of the wall system. We can also offer a stone veneer, aggregate veneer, or an aluminum composite panel to meet your customer's specific needs. I am now standing in our shipping department, where as soon as your project gets inspected and approved by our quality team, it comes over here to be wrapped and shipped out to you from our facility here in Blairsville, Georgia. Our shipping department does a great job to ensure that your project gets safely from point A to point B.
Thanks so much for joining us today. We hope you have learned a lot about our welded steel and ballistic products, and we hope to hear from you soon.